This is crazy, yo. What's the deal, y'all? Z85 Jew back with another video, man. We are actually going to be taking the 370Z to my homie's house, and then we have a special event that's supposed to be happening today, so it should be pretty fun. If you're new to this channel, man, I own a 2012 Nissan 370Z single turbo, of course, and it's on TE37s, Tomei. You know, just stick around for the video, bro. You're gonna love it. So real quick change of plans too. My homie, he was supposed to go, but then he texted me this morning saying that he was a little hungover and he didn't, you know, he wasn't feeling like he was gonna go. I told him, I was like, bro, stay home if, you know, you feeling a little woozy and stuff. Like, I'd rather you be home and safe than to you be driving like your car and something happens. So he just texted me. He said he's good to go. It's just his homies that were getting a little, you know, crazy, but so he's gonna be on the way. We're actually just gonna wait for him. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and push the Z out. I don't want it to be running and stuff like that. It's pretty early in the morning, birds chirping and stuff. I don't want to wake nobody up, especially my girl. So push it out. We'll wait for him. Once he gets a little closer, then I'll go ahead and start it up and you know, give you guys a little cold start. Well, that didn't work how I wanted it to. I kind of got stuck right here because it's desk, but yeah, we got the Z outside. We're just gonna chill, wait for homie, and yeah, man, let me know what you guys think about the Z right now. I didn't really get a lot of feedback besides Instagram. People on Instagram always kill it, but as far as YouTube, a lot of the people that watch and stuff, they don't really say anything. And I thought the whole thing of, you know, YouTube was kind of just to be engaging. So if you can, bro, let me know how you think this looks, bro. I really appreciate it, but I think it looks amazing. But I want to know what you guys think, man. Let me leave your comments down below. Bro, I don't know what it is right now, but I'm just sitting here looking at the Z, and you just can't tell me this thing don't look crazy right now, yo. Look how good the Z looks, bro. Like, I'm not even trying to brag, not even trying to do nothing like that, but this car, man, definitely one, if not the best, but affordable cars to buy, you know. I mean, obviously not right now with the whole market situation, but you know, as far as like what you get, bro, bang for your buck, like, you know, power's there, everything is there. Like, this car is amazing, bro. Body lines, so sick. W's in the chat. Hey, and again, don't mind how dirty the car is, but would you just listen to that, bro? Is there anything better than a Tomei on a 370Z? Not to mention that there's a turbo in this thing. That's crazy. Super sick, if you ask me. So a little bit of change of plans. The homie was actually running a little late, so I decided, I said, just meet me at the gas station. So we just got here. I'm gonna go ahead and pump some fresh E, and then we'll go ahead and wait for the homie. So real quick, I don't know if you guys just saw, but just had somebody walk up and like just check out the car. that's always such a good feeling, like, you know, you building a car and like everybody is enjoying it. He actually told me that was his dream car. So homie, if you're watching this video, bro, you will get this car one day. Just keep working hard, keep working towards all your goals, and I promise, bro, you'll crush everything. But definitely a surreal feeling, bro, when people be coming up and stuff like that. And by the way, I'm not famous at all. I just appreciate, you know, anytime that somebody recognizes me. Anyways, what I was saying, I just appreciate when anybody like recognizes like a clean build, or just, you know, especially like my car, like, you know, it's mine, so like I take a lot of like pride and joy in like building this car. So just super sick that other people get to enjoy that too. But again, homie, keep going. To everybody out there, actually, you're all gonna achieve what you want, bro. Just keep a steady mindset and always, you know, hang around the correct people and shit like that, bro. So I see the homie out there. Y'all see him with his G35? Yes, sir. Finally made it, dog. Sick ass. All right, boys, let me show you my boys' wheels up. Chill. Hey, y'all like clap cars, man. Follow my homie, man. You got tire shine, bitch? That's the main shit right there.
Bro, you ain't bring shit.
Bro, I come over to this full house, he don't have nothing in here, man.
Who comes to the house? Hey, yo, come wash my car. Like, do I look like a detailer to you?
I mean, it's shit. We said we going to a show. He said, oh, we can wash here.
With the eBay Turbo? That's what I'm talking about.
We're sorry that nothing ever seems to change.
It's not fair. It's not fair.
It's recording. It's recording? That's a nasty turbo.
Yo, sponsor me. Build my 350. Scratch that. I have a 350. But you're 370. Spot on. Well, there's no ads, so I'm gonna show you my Instagram so I can send you your picture.
Can you see that? I don't think you can.
Build yours like this? GG, you're beating everything under the sun. Look at that. You're gonna record it too. God damn! Mom.
Hola. I just want to steal the camera.
Your build's fastest.
Probably like recording reactions from YouTube.
Dude, someone could just take that.
That's
sketchy. That's what she said. This thing's hot, bro. Shit.
Dude, wait. You see these intakes right here? It's like really tiny.
No, that's not an intake. Not an intake. I don't know. Intakes. I don't know these shits.
Dude, oh, is it this one?
Yeah. Man, homie, made it here. There's literally no parks, bro. I think it's the time that we got here, but finally made it. Yes, sir. He doing them dishes, boy.
Hey, yo.
Your mom will be proud, mom.
We just like,
Bruh. If you know, you know. Clean ass, bro. The paint busting. Oh God, bro. Yo, look at the turbo, yo. Look how sick.
You like when they replace the
motor stick. You got the EFR turbo. Sheesh. Yo. Oh, he left the keys for me. Yo, talk about drift spec, dog. Look at this. That's OD, bro. RB20 boys. What's your favorite car, bro?
Probably an S14 or 15 to be honest.
S14?
Stuck in between those two.
Nice. Yeah, no, I used to have an S13, but S14s are kind of growing on me too, bro. I don't know, they're sick. What's your favorite car, dog?
Miata.
All right, cut. What's your favorite car, dude?
I think Julian's C34 turbo K-swap.
K-swap, okay, cool. Oh, Valerie Victorian head ass.
Oh, gap.
Sheesh, even the mom and something.
Sheesh, you need to shake a baby, what's up?
Hey, my girl, take notes. Is that a Hellcat, dog?
Hellcat, baby. That's
Hey, put it in park for me.
That's a ding.
Put it in park for me.
Hey, yo.
Yo, this fool really went all out. His interior is crazy.
Go check my story, bro.
Bruh, do y'all see this?
Look at the back.
That's dedication right there. I see you, fool. Sheesh, and it's 6-speed. Come on now.
Hey,
Yup.
I got him the job there.
Damn, my boy.
Position. Hey, I'm all about somebody moving up the
Look at
ladder.
that limo truck, dog.
But he turned into an asshole.
Nismo Recaros. Sheesh, clean ass fool.
Yes. That's even prettier.
Twin turbo fools. This is clean, bro. Look like the motor just came from being built. What the hell? That's OD. Definitely probably the cleanest car here. Sheesh, my boy, you have to flex like that. Oh my God. Interior mint too. Yo. Huge ass board warmer, dog. That's OD. It's the same wheels. Actually, no, he had B-locks. Mine were B-locks, but I did have the ET Streets. So, but that's sick. If only he had the Tomei though, too. Sheesh, that's OD, bro. I'm not gonna even say nothing. I think the camera just speaks for itself, dog. It's not every day you see this, for sure. Whether it's real or not, don't matter. Shit's sick. What you think, fool?
It's nice.
Got more Supras, dog. B-locks. This one's manual, okay. Sheesh. Bro, with the comp turbo too. Oh, this one has a VIN number. They removed the VIN from R34. Nah, bro, that's way bigger, bro. You know when it's big when it has V-bands for the clamps. Like, that's OD, bro. That's OD. CCWs, dog. Sheesh. If you guys could choose one car, you're taking the black Supra, similarly built, or you're taking the white. I don't know, bro. That white is clean, dog. Yeah, like you said, it pops, but black's cool too. I love this hood too, actually. Looks sick. Sick ass fools. What's up, fool? Yo, it's hella sick, dog. Look at the paint on that, my boy. right there. That's so OD. Look how many batteries this fool got.
Oh, okay, yeah, I saw him checking in earlier, yeah. I saw him this morning.
Hey, nah, for real though, imagine being in the car while I was doing that. Like, that's so crazy. Yo, your girl in the car be like, yeah, I'm dead. Super sick. But imagine how like easy it is to work on any of this stuff right here. Yo, people be really talented. Like, it's actually kind of mind-boggling. It's crazy. You guys let me know down below. Would you drop something like this? Super unique. I probably would drive this. If this was given to me, I would definitely drive this. Pull up. Like, the fuck is this? What is this though, actually, bro? Bro. So wet. Alpha fool. You see it, bro? We got another Supra, bro. Drags, of course. And this one right here, boys, it's like fully blacked out.
That's a baby ass turbo.
He always hating, bro.
Baby ass turbo.
Let me know if y'all want me to unfollow him, man. He always hating. Nah, this is clean though. Y'all follow the homie. Look at this. Look how tricky that is, bro. Ashen Martin. What y'all think about this new BRZ though? The fitment on this looks good too. Look at that. Sick ass fools. I don't know. That looks good to me. It's growing, bro. Every time I see him modify, like, I don't know, especially what TJ Hunt's doing to his, looks so good. Hella unique, bro. Super sick. RB25, wastegate coming out the side right here. Like, yeah, that's so dope. Look at the interior too. And then on a big tire. Yeah, this right here is like some shit I can see like The Rock Johnson driving, bro. Like all lifted and whatnot. And like look at the interior too. It's actually pretty cool. You got like the boost gauges right there. Cluster. This is sick, bro, actually. This is crazy, yo. My whole build is this one wheel right here. Got the forged carbon, dog. Yo, that's hella sick. Interior go crazy. That's OD, bro. You gotta work harder, fool.